Hi everyone, I am Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about certain do's and don'ts which are necessary when you go for your speaking test of IELTS. First of all, let us look into the do's, which is very much important. So the very first thing is, whenever you start your conversation, talk with the examiner in order to build a good relationship with him or her, so that you have or you get much more involved in the conversation. You can feel comfortable. Second thing is, listen to the questions carefully whichever is provided, so that you can provide relevant answers. Third thing is, whenever you give your answers, whenever you provide your answers, detail out or elucidate your answers. Fourth thing is, whenever you prepare for your speaking test, not for the exam, not before the exam, the preparation time, but when you provide yourself with the sample materials for speaking, try to record your speech and listen it for yourself, so that you can easily recognize the mistakes which you are making frequently. Next thing is, whenever you are provided with the preparation time before the commencement of the test, try to understand the topic which is provided, so that you can organize your speech much more better. And next thing you need to take care of, you should be always confident even if the examiner tries to interrupt you in between. It should not deviate your concentration. Another thing is, try to read the instructions and prompts which are provided before the questions, in order to properly structure or in order to understand what all are the necessary things which should be included in your speech. And also, whenever you provide your answer, try to bolster your answer or support your answer with n number of examples, or 2-3 examples, at least 2-3 examples from your own personal experiences, which has some kind of social relevance, which will fetch you much more marks. Now let us look into some of the don'ts. The very first thing is, do not by heart any answer. We usually have this problem of by hearting all the kinds of phrases and sentences whichever we come across. So do not do that, it will not really help you out. Second thing is, if the examiner interrupts you in between while you are speaking in your task 2, do not get panic. It is either because you have spoken enough, or maybe due to any other reason, but never lose your confidence. The very next thing is, whenever you try to speak and you are not able to find a particular word, or you are not able to recollect a word, what you should do? You can paraphrase that word, or you can just describe that word. For example, if it's a particular thing, then you can describe about maybe the structure of that thing, what might be the function of that particular thing, and so on. In that way you can paraphrase it. And the very last point is, never deviate from your topic. This is one of the most common mistakes which most of us commit. So for example, if you are asked to describe about the earth, so you start describing about the earth, then you say the earth, apart from the earth there are so many planets in the solar system, then our solar system is situated in a galaxy, the name of the galaxy is Milky Way. We do not need this, so you need not deviate from your topic. So these are certain important do's and don'ts which you should keep in your mind before going for your IELTS speaking test. And I hope it was useful and informative. Thank you.